could you call me unskilled? That's like looking at Mount Everest and then calling it a small hill, not at all.
Stop flinching.
Still trying not to laugh, but it just spills out. Sometimes I was right and chill, just chew on this till the record's built, okay? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on you. Fool me 3 times, hold up, rewind, that's not even possible. Me, I keep it honorable. Who's your favorite? Let me know. Tally up, count the votes. Wasn't me, that's a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. Yeah, that's a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. Hey, that's a joke. That's a joke.
My boy NF, right back here on Tulip Mafia, delivering another flavor.
Trust Restored, is it,
If you're not on
Roxy?
this mixtape, what should we say album? The album, yeah. NF, right back here on Tulip Mafia, deliver.
Trust restored now, is it, Roxy? I don't want to leave the house with you guarding it, all stressed out. Oh, that was a lovely little squeak, wasn't it, eh? Oh. Got a bit of a snuffle, have you? Eh? Have you? Well, cheers for the lesson, Roxy. If I was being abusive, you wouldn't be jumping back up on the bed with me, would you now? Should we get some din-dins in a minute? You ready for some dinner? Now I know you're not going to sick it all back up, getting all nervous and agitated and stressed. Because you're bouncing off my energy as well, aren't you? That's what you're trying to show me. Right, now I'm going to stress test you. Yeah, you're not stressed now, are you? I shall get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Right, get that. I'll get that dog. Where's dog? Where's dog? Oh, I'll get dog. Where's dog? There he is. Give me dog. Oh, get it. Where's dog? Right, you're looking at your kibbles. That's it. Give me dog. Give me dog. Where's dog? That's it. You're all happy again, ain't you? Right? We're back to normal again now then. Ugh. That's it. Whack me in the face with dog. Oh, I love it. Give me that. You're all happy again now, are you? Oh, I love it. You all love that dog. Give me that. Well. We're getting cuddles now, are we? Yeah, we're back to normal again now, are we? Well, like I said, Roxy, thank you for the lesson. Now you're not scared of the hyperness, are you? Nope, you've let me calm down, haven't you? Bit of hyper rapping to calm me down, eh? Works better than a Valium, doesn't it? Hyper bitch getting scared of a hyper alpha, are you? Oh, look at you. Oh, get you. Oh,